Hey, welcome back my budget tech fans. I got a deal for you. If you're looking to create some AI videos for free, and you might have multiple accounts on Google,
Still pimp. Once a pimp, always a pimp. Always boss player. Forever.
I got just the thing for you. There's a website called Hailuoa.ai. I don't know. I'm going to butcher that name real bad. Anyway, they start you off with 200 credits per account, and the cost is only about 25 credits per video. Yeah, not bad. 768p, 6 seconds. You can always go to another website and upscale it.
What? No, I don't want to do that.
Let me show you a little bit of how it works. You can come here and type in your prompt. You can put a beginning and an ending photo if that's what you want to do, or if you just want to run one photo. You can come here and click camera. You got truck left and truck right. Under the free selection, pan left and right, push in, pull out, pedestal up. It look pretty cool. Yep. Pedestal down, tilt up, tilt down, zoom in and out. This one's cool. Shake. I know. Looks pretty sweet, don't it? Tracking shot where you can follow the character, and then a static shot where you stand still but everybody else around you moves. Yeah, it'd be great for making, music videos or whatever you're doing. I wanted to pass this on to you guys, help you guys save some money. If you're new to the channel and you dig the content, drop a big like. I'd appreciate it. Share it out with your friends that are looking for ways to make some videos. 200 goes pretty far when it's 25 a pop, you know what I'm saying? I will have more videos like this coming up on different ones that I've found. If this interests you at all, let me know in the comments below. I'll make some more. Also, if you like the content, subscribe. You don't want to miss anything coming up. Got lots of free games, lots of budget tech. Thank you guys so much for watching. See you in the next video. Hi, thanks so much for watching the video. Hopefully it saved you a buck or two. Hey, for more great budget tech videos, make sure to subscribe to the channel if you're new, and click those boxes above if you want to see more good deals like this. I'll see you guys in the next video.